IT downtime is costing small businesses over $300,000 a year on average. That's a real risk for any organization trying to stay competitive. Jason Stitt, co-founder of IT Force, says, businesses that integrate conference insights into their IT operations gain measurable efficiency and security improvements in months, not years. Burlington is becoming a tech hub, and its upcoming conferences offer a clear path to reduce that risk. Events like Intersections, ICD Pit, ICRET, and ICSTM give it leaders direct exposure to cloud strategies, cybersecurity frameworks, and operational improvements. Attendees learn how AI-driven threat detection, layered security, and proactive system upgrades can strengthen infrastructure and prevent recurring IT issues. The conferences also provide hands-on workshops and peer-driven learning, so your team can apply what they learn immediately. Managed IT services turn those lessons into action, helping with cloud optimization, automated backups, endpoint management, and workflow automation. Combining strategic attendance with professional IT support creates measurable improvements in security, efficiency, and business continuity. You can read the full article on our website and add this episode to your playlist to revisit these strategies anytime.